Asuntoskeittiö.
Now today is the 18th of September 2020. Here's asuntoi Järvenpään Tupalan kulma. Tupalantie.
Tupalantie 2.
Tupalantie 2, yeah.
Staircase B.
And this residential building has 19 floors. 19 it is, but the 90th floor is locked up. It was completed in 2017.
Yeah.
It was built in late 2016. 13 persons owned house grams, and the serial number is 42545813. The 18th floor should be open. Okay, take. We'll write both.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in next year, 2021.
Yeah.
I am glad they chose Kone here.
Yeah, but
the cab is boring.
Yeah.
But the pictures are not bad. It's good to have two faster design ones.
Yeah.
But you know, in Tampere, at the Sokostel-torni tunnel, 26 or 28 floors in total, it's even better.
Yeah.
I will stay there one day in October. So it will be easier to film it.
Yeah.
It doesn't have any door close button.
Yeah.
We have a look at the call button here. I believe the 19th floor has some sort of special apartments. And that's why it's locked off. Or maybe because it has the sauna and something else. Kind of weird to have it locked off. It's the tallest building and tallest residential building in Järvenpää.
Yeah.
I have been into another one with 12 floors, but that one has bad scenery ones.
Yeah.
But it's fast scenery, so I took a quick ride. This is much better. Even though the cab is boring. Let's change elevators.
Yeah. It's a bit paikkivaisuutta.
The door is open to the next steps. You can go have a look if it's also the design.
Yeah.
If it is open, still have to be rid of it.
Huh.
It's on floor 17. That's still going up.
Yeah.
So the right one should come down soon.
Yeah.
It's coming down.
Yeah.
Why is there a one button here?
Yeah.
That one button looks like it's normal gases.
Yeah.
It's from late 2016. It's repeated in
Yeah.
2017. Strange.
Yeah. This looks like cases 520.
Yeah.
Strange.
Yeah, very weird. But why floor one? It's weird. Oh, it's smaller.
Yeah.
And this one was also built in late 2016. The serial number is 42545814, completed in 2017. The capacity is 8 persons of 600 rooms. There's no door close button. It's close. Hope they look at the other one. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2021. And this one doesn't serve the 19th floor, the locked off 19th floor.
Yeah.
I haven't really looked at the view from here, but let's see, maybe.
Yeah.
Quick. If it doesn't get too busy. Because I hope that they are using the other elevator.
Yeah.
Take a look. You can hold the door open.
Yeah.
Then you can take a look. So that one here. Yeah. Not bad.
Yeah.
Go to that side.
Yeah.
see the Järvenpää is in the train station over there. Okay, I am ready.
Yeah.
Ready to do this.
Here's the railway station. It's one of the busiest railway stations in Finland. Sixth busy or something, or seventh. I think Tampere is sixth busy.
Open for you. Let's go down. There should be a dog spot and it doesn't have it.
Yeah.
I hope it will not stop on any of the intermediate floors. Still, I think, well, maybe they are fast enough for a residential building, but
Yeah.
yeah, almost fast enough.
Yeah. Inspected by Kone and maintained by Kone.
And there are quite a lot of apartments here. How many did you count? Is it like 100 or something?
Yeah. You can check it.
Yeah, maybe we have here.
One 138 apartments.
138.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's